Hey, Woodrow, this is how you sign up. I just did a practice, so I'll send you this link. You just click my link. It's up there. It brings you here. It says top welcome from the person's name. So anybody signing up on your site will have the same experience. Then you just pick the three pull down menu things, and you click buy or join now. I think you hit the plus sign here. And then it just shows you choices. You want to be a business associate, so you click that. And then you just scroll down, nutrition tech. You want to pick the risk-free, see if Volara's right for you. When you pick that, let's see, there's only really one choice. Yep, free sign-up option. Start building your own business organization, become part of a worldwide network. Distributorship offers access to extensive product line while allowing you to take advantage of wholesale pricing. Bonuses and compensation plan. Tools, training, support available with your success. Use the link to get started. Click it. Then you can put your email. And it'll probably just kind of walk you through step by step to get your data. And then it just asks you to put in, the last part of this thing up here. Um, you know, what you're going to call your website. So you can see if I'm trying to get this thing to move. Yeah, there we go. So it'll say like Vollara.com / and you just type in Woodrow Amos or the name of your business and hit enter. And then you'll get an email saying you're in. And then I kind of use Notepad on my iPhone to keep, this is what I keep ready. This basic stuff, and I can cut and paste that to anyone real quick. And then that's what I would all the way down to that. I would just cut and paste that real quick to somebody. And I just put separators so that I don't get too much stuff. And then for someone like you that's going to roll as a business partner, I just grab this stuff. When I just keep this ready on tap, I'll copy and paste this to a guy like you that wants to get started. And then I have our products, NASA Certified Space Technology. So I actually went to my Vollara site once you get it up and running. And I dug in to find the actual place where you can look at them. So if we click right here, see what kind of website that takes us to. And you can see at the top, it's mine. If you turn it sideways and go tap the URL, you'll see it says your business name at the end. We're not on a full computer screen, so I can't. Let's see if I can move the blue thing. All right, so if I put a cursor and then hold and drag, see how it says protect our facilities now? That's my name, so I know they're on my site if they're buying it. So anyways, that takes them to some videos, kind of your basic overview. Who's this good for? Pet lovers, allergy sufferers, parents and caregivers, health advocates, educators for the school room, athletes if they're running, want to be protected outdoors because people are weird. They think they're exposed outdoors. I just don't get it. The sun's been proven to kill COVID, but people, 50% are scared. Medical facilities, city dwellers. So that's a couple examples. And then, you just build this up. And then I actually went and grabbed the site for that and put the name Vollara Air and Surface Pro and a link to it. And then I actually built this out on my squareapp.com. I think it's squareup.com. I built a store for a bunch of other stuff throughout my life. So I've got another place where this will go right to my Chase Bank or my Huntington Bank. They click to buy it for me, and then I get the $14.99 in my account in 17. Well, tomorrow morning, but you can hit for 1%, they'll give it to you instantly. So they can pay right now, which is pretty cool. So they could just click that. So that's the first product. And then I have a picture, so I can just someone's like, hey, send me, how do I buy that right now? I just copy all this bit with the picture. I'd grab your buddy, I grab all that, I'd hit copy. Then I'd go to a text to a new person, and I would just start a new text, and what I would do is I would paste it, but I'd go up to the top here and delete my website because I want them to use Square, right? So you just got to take this out. So you're going to have to get a little techie eventually, but And then I would just send it to, Bob or whoever it is. Boom. And they shoot it out there. So I've got the whole first product, and then I've got the whole second product, which you can see Fresh Air Mobile on my actual Vollara site, and then I also built it on Square. If you tap the second link, you'll see this one on my Square site. Square is one of the easiest to use. And all this will come up and let me buy now. Let me get on Wi-Fi so it's faster. So look, they can buy it right there. They can click for more information. So I built all this out. Just hours of work. You just got to do the work or have me do it or something. And then the third one is, so that's that. And then I got the third one, and this will take, the first link takes you to my Vollara site. And they can just scroll down and buy right there. Second link takes you right to my Square site. If they want to buy that, right, and that goes into my account, and then I'd have to go order it for them and ship it to them in my back office. Okay, so that's that stuff. And then when you sign up, they'll say, congratulations, welcome to the team. You'll get an ID. You'll get some of this stuff, your site, customer service. So, of course, you copy all that, and I just assume to go to your contacts, VOLLA. So I created, for my STL PSI, STL Professional Services International, is the name of my